Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is an updated dye my hair routine video. I really do hope you guys enjoy. So let's jump right in, guys. I'm getting ready to start dyeing my hair. And sorry if you guys hear any noise in the background. It's my washing machine upstairs making all that noise. So yeah, I apologize about that ahead of time. Just in case you guys can hear it. So yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair. And what I'm gonna do is the dye that I'm using today to dye my hair is the Dark and Lovely. And the color is Jet Black. To be honest guys, I usually use a different dye, but I got this dye from the grocery store and it was limited selections there. So yeah, I'm getting ready to dye my hair with that. And then what I'm gonna do is once I rinse my hair out, I'm gonna use this Olive Cholesterol Super Shine and Moisturized Deep Conditioning Cream. I'm gonna use this, and what I'm gonna do is keep this in my hair for a while and have a bag over it and let that sit. Let's get started. I hope you guys can see real good. I probably should have put my contacts in so I can see. Because without my glasses, I cannot see all that great. Like, seriously. It's bad. So, yeah, let me put my glasses back on so I can read these instructions and see. Also, it has some conditioner in here. Dark and Lovely box contains the Creme developer, the fade resistant rich conditioning color, resistant nourishing care conditioner, and it says it has vitamin E. And it came with some gloves. Section my hair off in 4 sections. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I just section my hair off into 4s. So now what I'm getting ready to do, drink me some water first. This is only my second bottle of water. I really need to do better. Guys, all I had today was I had Starbucks coffee that's in a glass container from out the store. And I had some boiled eggs and avocado toast. That's all I've had today. So it says to snip the top off of this. I'm gonna try to snip this off. Okay. Let me get that up. Princess, no. Let me get it up because she already walking over there trying to get to it. I guess Princess was like, what is that flying through the air? I guess she wanted to see what was going on as well. So I'm gonna take the top off of this. How long going on? Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm gonna just wait till my washing machine start this video back up because I think y'all probably can hear it. And it's annoying me. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I clicked the top off that. So what I'm gonna do is take this applicator and add this to it. Make sure it's all in there. Put this top back on there. And put everything back in my box. This is my little garbage box. And I said just shake it till it's mixed. Okay guys, I'm back. I moved you guys a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing better. I hope this is a better angle for you guys. So yeah, I finished mixing everything. Some of it now came out. But what I'm going to do now is just take a little bit of grease and just put it around my edges. I guess I'm going to take my gloves off to do that. And I'm going to just use a little bit of this Africa's Best grease and just put it around my edges a little bit. Let me get my bag out my drawer. Then I'm going to put my hair. starting to put on my hair. I'm actually get two because one I'm going to use for after I put the dye in my hair and let my hair be pent up. Then the other one is going to be for the deep conditioner that I'm going to use. You know what? I'm going to have to use my glasses for a little while until I start getting on the edge part because I can't see. It's steady coming out. this is what my hair is looking like right now with the conditioner in there. And just put a little bit more. Put it toward my ends. Just saturate the ends a little bit with the conditioner in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just put this bag on my head. Take my towel, which is my dye towel, as you guys can see. And let this down my head like that. So I'm gonna keep this in my hair for probably about 20 minutes or so. And I'll check in with you guys once I rinse it out. And then when I get ready to put in this olive oil conditioner. Hey y'all, just wanted to come back in here for 1 second. It's good. But comment down below if you guys like mukbang. Is it called? Is that? I think that's how you say it. Mukbang videos. I think I might try a mukbang video one day. Just add different stuff to my channel because my channel is basically about me stepping outside the box, doing things, which me making this channel is me actually stepping outside the box, trying something new, just trying something, just doing things different. I just waste applesauce all on my leg and my pants. Let me show y'all right quick. Applesauce waste all on my pants and leg, y'all. Wow. Like I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by my applesauce. I'm always having trouble with food, ain't it, y'all, when I'm recording. I guess this applesauce says, since you done open me, you might as well eat me and stop talking. That's why I said chat session. Y'all, my chat part. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I just rinsed the conditioner out my hair. Now I'm getting ready to add the deep conditioner to my hair. Y'all, I love watching music videos, right? And I was just looking at that music video with Chris Brown and Drake. No guidance. Chris Brown. Chris Brown is the bomb. You hear me? The way he be like, I wanna play no games, and I'm getting my life. Yeah. Chris Brown just be bringing that fire to it, and then he be dancing, and it just be, the moves just be on it. Wish I could. Okay, it don't smell bad. It smell all right. I don't know. One thing I can say, if your spirit down and you down and out and sad, put on Chris Brown's song and watch a couple of his videos. And I gotta give credit where credit is due. He is so talented. He is talented. Do you hear me? He put the T in talent, both of the T's. Chris Brown kind of like how Bobby Brown was back in the day. Singing and dancing. No matter the song was slow or fast, they'd be up in there jamming. Killing it. He's somebody that you would love to have, like, come to a party or to a wedding or something. He'll be the life of the party. And at the wedding too, because he'll be one of the people that be dancing and jamming and have everybody on the dance floor having a good old time. So Chris Brown, if I hit the lottery, when I hit the lottery, and become rich or get some extra money, if, you know, whenever my daughter get married, I want you to come to the wedding. I want you to be dancing, get the party started at the wedding reception. Okay, guys, so got that in there. So I'm gonna let that sit in my hair for a while. What I just put in my hair was the Olive Cholesterol Super Shine and Moisture Deep Conditioner. So I'm gonna let that sit in my hair for a while. Hey, my chat partners, y'all. I'm looking in the mirror on an errand real quick, and I got my conditioner still in my hair, my cap. So yeah, this me on the Saturday, y'all. Okay guys, I'm all done now. So what I did was put some flexi rods in my hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on this Saturday. I really appreciate it. To everyone out there, I wish you guys all the best. I'm wishing everyone safety and happiness. As always, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye guys.